In EverEver, StarChild waits for a special family. Maybe they've already seen you, or maybe they're on their way to you right now. Are you ready to welcome StarChild into your world? Every child deserves a friend to share in their wonder days, in play and imagination. A treasured forever companion made of wool, love, and a little stardust. I created this 10-part video course to guide anyone who wishes to make their own Waldorf doll, teaching all the skills and techniques you need, even if you've never made a doll before. And because I believe every child should have a doll, I made this entire course completely free. If you'd like to make your Waldorf doll a StarChild, the pattern is available now. It includes full colour, step-by-step instructions for making the doll itself, along with patterns to create a full clothing set, and shoes are included, as well as a downloadable book, Sprinkles of Stardust, which is exclusive to StarChild. Sprinkles of Stardust is a charming companion to the StarChild pattern. Filled with starry adventures, it invites families to slow down, celebrate light and wonder, and make magical memories. I hope this course becomes a doorway into wonder, imagination, and making memories. Simple joys, slowing down, and meaningful moments. Welcome to EverEver.